Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'd like to continue Scratch programming. Now we will talk about creating a variable from scratch. From now on, we've learned what's the concept of variable. Now we'd like to declare a variable in Scratch program. In this step, you will create a variable for use with Scratch. When you create a variable, you must name the variable. The name of the variable is named, and the process of creating the new is called declaring a variable. The variable name corresponding to the score of the game is called score, and we declare it. Declaring a variable means that you have created a variable box to put the value on the score, as shown in this picture. The first step for creating a variable is to select the data command from the block palette and then press the Create Variable button to display a notification window as shown. A variable is created when you enter score in the variable name and press OK button. When you create a variable, you can specify whether it will be used by all sprites or only that sprite. Later, we call it as a global variable or local variable. We will use score on stage, and all sprite. In the same way, create a variable named time, which means the time remained in the game, and the parameter to check if all the time has passed. When a variable is created, a data block has a variable score, time is timeout, and a variable on the stage. The three variables we've created so far will only be used in the script without having to show on the stage. So, as shown in the screen, please clear the check before the data block variable name is timeout. After you create a variable, you specify a normal value. The first time you assign a value to a newly created empty variable is called initialization. Let's initialize the value of the score variable to 0. We will also initialize the value of the other two variables. When you start the game, it will give you 60 seconds of time, 1 minute, so the value of time is 60. The isTimeout variable is initialized to the value false because time remains when you start the game. The meaning of false will be explained by running the logical operator later. It's a Boolean value. Let's initialize the value in Scratch. When the program is executed, it will initialize the value of the variable when the button is clicked. The command to initialize the program will bring the block. The command to execute when the button is clicked will bring the block. When green flag click from the block palette and place it underneath it. Take the block, set x to x of data and set the value of score to 0. Time is 60 and its timeout is false. After completing all the settings, click the green flag button to run the game. Then, you can see that the value of the score variable on the background stage is 0 and the value time is initialized to 60. Now, let me invite my friend Jeannie to explain assign value. Jeannie, please.
Sure. The act of putting a value into a variable using a block set ~2 is called assign a value to a variable. Again, for example, consider the score variable box. Substituting a 0 for the variable Score is equivalent to sticking the ball in the variable box with a 0, as shown in this picture.
Still now, we've learned how we can declare and initialize, assign variable value in Scratch. Our study will be continued. See you. If you want to get more information, please visit my CreatePro site. And if you want to get full article and script about this movie clip, please visit my blog site. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press like button if you like to support better work. Thank you very much.